what's up everyone? Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Gigi with Gigi Gabrielle 21. Today we're going to be reviewing and installing a wig by the Amazon store called WERD, W-E-R-D. And it's a light purple bob with bangs. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how we transform it to not to hot. You know, a little color play. Let's do it. so much for watching and staying to this point in the video. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you my pros and cons about this wig. I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about it. First off, I really liked the touch that the company did, because as a free gift they sent a stocking cap, which is kind of standard, but it's still nice because some people, you know, don't even send anything along with the wigs. But they put in like this little note. It says, "May the happiness always accompany you and your family. Hope our wig makes your beautiful life." I thought that just was so sweet. I had to do a few things to make this wig look good. It just goes to show you that you can take a wig that you get on Amazon, doesn't have like the lace front and all that kind of stuff, and still make it look cute. You know, it was really curved and everything like that. So we went ahead and we cut the bangs. I kind of wanted it just like that, like straight, you know, so it can kind of give like a modern vibe. And then we tried different hairstyles. With this wig, you know, we have to be careful because you can see some of the tracks here if you don't play with it right. So that's why you kind of gotta leave some of the hairs out when you're pulling it up. You can't just pull up all of it. It's a fun wig. You're playing with color. Are you brave enough to try it? It's so silky, it's really shiny. Like, you can tell this is a wig. As long as you style it cute, it'll look like you're pulling off a cool colored wig. Please like and subscribe to this channel. If you like my videos and you like my channel or you like the hair, please click like and show me so I can show you more of that. Thank you so much for joining me today. Much love.